Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to do the smooth zoom transition in Premiere Pro. Let's jump straight to it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to upload your clip. I would always aim for around 10 to 15 clips, but what I'm going to show you is going to work on 5 clips, 20 clips. It's down to you, however many you want to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through our video and we're going to select the parts or the clips that we're going to want to use in our smooth transition. So this is just everything, all right? So I'm going to go through now and just select the clips that I want. I'm just going to speed through this and I'm going to go straight into the selected clips. And this is everything done at the moment, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight everything and I'm going to go to sequence and I'm going to press close gaps. So that way everything is together. Once you've made your selection, what you're going to need to do now is to make sure that each clip is the same amount of frames. So we need them to all be the same length, except for the first and the last frame. Usually those 2 frames, I keep them longer. I'm just going to highlight all my clips right here. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to press the right click. I'm going to go to my speed duration and I'm going to uncheck this. I'm going to decrease my duration to 3. And as you can see, all my clips are now the same duration except for my first and last clip. Now usually with my first clip, I aim for about 6 to 8 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll do the same with my ending clip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you also might want to do is just maybe just go through your clips and just maybe rearrange them to how you want them to be. I'm happy with this, so I'm going to show you how to do this effect. My first clip, I'm not going to add no smooth transition, but my first clip here, what I'm going to do is I'm now going to go to my effects panel. I'm going to type in the transform and I'm going to drag that on my clip. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to my effects control. I'm going to scroll down to my transform, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to select the stopwatch on the scale to create a keyframe. I'm going to go across and I'm going to increase my scale to around 200. Drag that all the way to the end. Highlight my first keyframe and I'm going to select ease out. And I'm going to select my last keyframe and I'm going to select ease in. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to my shutter angle and I'm going to increase this to around 200. The more your shutter angle is, the more motion blur you're going to get. But I'm just going to stick to 200. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to click my transform here. I'm going to press Command and C to copy. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight the remainder of my clips, press Command V to add the effect. And there you go, my people. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.